Hi, this is Professor Moser. Let me guide you through the Math 102 final exam review. The first question asks us to solve this equation, x over 2 minus x over 4 equals to 2. This is one of our fractional equations. The basic idea is you want to multiply every single term in the equation by the greatest common divisor. Here our fractions have denominators of 2 and 4, so the GCD would be 4. So what I'm going to do is multiply every single term by 4. And what that's going to do for us is that's going to get rid of our fractions. The 4 I can think of as 4 over 1. We can cancel the denominator there. That's going to leave us with 2x. Here 4 will cancel. Goes into itself once. So we're going to get 1x equals to 4 times 2 is 8. Now that our fractions are gone, we just solve the basic equation that's left. 2x minus x is just 1x. And so we get as our solution x equals to 8. Let's take a look at the next one. Same kind of setup. We are asked to solve a fractional equation. We want to begin by recognizing what is the GCD of our denominators. They're 2, 3, and 6, so the GCD would be 6. And now what I'm going to do is multiply every single term by 6. And that should get rid of all of our fractions. Equal sign comes straight down. Over here, 2 goes into itself once. 2 will go into 6 3 times. So I'm going to have 3 times the quantity x plus 6. Plus over here, 3 goes into itself once. 3 goes into 6 twice. So I'm going to have 2 times the quantity x minus 2. Over here the 6's cancel, and so we left it with this is equal to 19. To finish this off, we need to eliminate the parentheses by distributing. This is going to be 3x plus 18. Distribute the 2 here. So you're going to have 2x minus 4 equals to 19. 3x and 2x is 5x. 18 and negative 4 is going to be a positive 14 equals to 19. So we just combined the like terms on that left-hand side. To get the x by itself, we would now need to subtract 14 from both sides. We get 5x equals to 5. And then last step, divide both sides by 5. So we get the solution x equals to 1. The last problem that's on the first page of the review is question 16, and here the directions say to perform the indicated operation and simplify. Here we're multiplying two rational expressions. The way that we do this is by first of all factoring all of our numerators and denominators completely. This numerator will factor as k plus 2 times k plus 4. The denominator will factor as k plus 2 times k plus 8. The second numerator has a GCF, so just factoring out the GCF of k. That'll leave us with a k plus 8. And then for the denominator, this will factor as k minus 9 times k plus 4. Once we have everything factored, we're going to go ahead and cancel any common factors. This first fraction has a factor of k plus 2 in both numerator and denominator, so that will cancel. I also see that this first fraction's numerator has a factor of k plus 4, and that's in the denominator of the second fraction, so those can cancel. And then the k plus 8 on the denominator of the first fraction will cancel with the factor of k plus 8 in the numerator of the second fraction. So if we look at it, what we're left with is just k over k minus 9, and that would be our final answer.